In this class, we discuss determinants. We discuss a determinant of a matrix. First of all, we take two linear equations in two variables as a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. These are two linear equations in two variables x and y. Now we may express these two equations in terms of matrices also. You write these two equations, take the coefficients a1, a2, a1, b1, a2, b2. On multiplying these two matrices, what we get? a1x plus b1y, next a2x plus b2y. This is equal to c1, c2. Now on comparing the corresponding elements, what we get? a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. In this way, we may express linear equations, two linear equations in two variables in matrix form also. Now here, these two equations have unique solution when these equations have unique solution if ratio of x coefficients a1 by a2 is not equal to ratio of y coefficients b1 by b2. These two equations have unique solution if this condition satisfies. On cross multiplying, what we get? a1 b2 is not equal to a2 b1. From this, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. If this condition holds good, then the equations have unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution. Otherwise, there is no unique solution to the given system. This condition, that means this condition determines whether these system have unique solution or not. So this value is called determinant of this matrix. That a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is called determinant of this matrix. Now you write the definition of a 2 by 2 determinant matrix. If A is equal to then that value a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is called determinant of the matrix A, and it is denoted by det A or this det A. Now determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is obtained by multiplying a1 with b2 minus a2 with b1. Now if the matrix is of order 1 by 1, if A is equal to a matrix of order 1 by 1. Now to this matrix also determinant is defined, and the determinant of this matrix here is that element only, that given element only, that is A. Now we see a small example. Find determinant is always represented by vertical bars. Find the determinant value of 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. This is equal to multiplied diagonal elements 2 with minus 1 minus of minus 5 into 4, that is equal to minus 2 plus 20, that is equal to 18. That is the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. Next, we discuss minor of an element, cofactor of an element. The minor of an element Aij. Aij means ith row jth column element is the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column in which Aij lies, and it is denoted by Mij. If you delete ith row and jth column element in the matrix Aij, the determinant of that remaining matrix is the minor of that element Aij. Now you take one example. We want to find minor of this element 3. We want to find minor of this element 3. Where this element 3 lies, it lies in first row and third column. To find minor of this element 3, you delete first row and third column. Now a 2 by 2 matrix is obtained. Now find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. That determinant value is called minor of this element 3. So minor of 3 is equal to determinant of 4, 5, 8 and 9. This is equal to 4 into 9 minus 8 into 5, 36 minus 40. This is equal to minus 4. In this way, we find minor of the remaining elements. Minor is obtained by deleting the row and column where that element lies. After that, find the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix. Next, we define cofactor. The cofactor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Aij and is defined as Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power of row plus column into minor of that element. Cofactor of any element Aij means it lies in ith row and jth column, is denoted by capital Aij and it is defined as Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power of row plus column into the minor of that element. You take one example. You take the same example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to find minor of the element, cofactor of the element 6, first you find minor of that element 6. Minor of that element is obtained by deleting row and column where that element lies. This element lies in second row and third column. So you delete second row and third column. Now what is that 2 by 2 matrix? 1, 2, 7, minus 2. Take the determinant of that remaining 2 by 2 matrix. This is 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus of 7 into 2, minus 14. This is minus 16. Minus 16. This is the minor of the element 6 in that matrix. If you multiply the minor with minus 1 to the power of row plus column, then you get the cofactor of that element 6. Cofactor of that element 6 is minus 1 to the power of row plus column. It is in second row and third column. So 2 plus 3 into minor. Minor is minus 16. Minus 1 to the power of 5, minus 1 into minus 16. This is plus 16. Now you observe minor and cofactor, they may differ only in the sign. Next, if you want to find cofactor of this element 2, first you find minor of this element 2 and then multiply this with minus 1 to the power of row plus column where it lies first row and second column. 1 plus 2 into minor of that element. You get the cofactor. In this way you find cofactor of the remaining elements also. Next, we discuss how to define determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. We already discussed how to find determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now we discuss how to find determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. This is the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix is the sum of the products of the elements of any row or column with their corresponding cofactors is called determinant of the matrix. The sum of products of elements of any row with their corresponding cofactors. Suppose if you take first row, take all elements, multiply those elements with their corresponding cofactors. Sum of those products is called determinant of that matrix. Now we take one example, how to find determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. If A is equal to 3 minus 4, 5, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 3, 1, then find determinant of A or det A. You take any row. For example, if you take first row, what are the elements in first row? 3 minus 4, 5. Now you find cofactors of all the elements in first row. Cofactor of the element 3, that is minus 1 to the power of row plus column. It lies in first row and first column, 1 plus 1 into minor. Minor means you delete that row and column, the determinant of that remaining 2 by 2 matrix. 1 minus 2, 3, 1. This is equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 1, 1 into determinant of this matrix, that is 1 minus of minus 6, 1 plus 6, that is equal to 7. Next, cofactor of minus 4. Where this minus 4 lies? It lies in first row and second column. Minus 1 to the power of row plus column into, you delete this row and column, you get a 2 by 2 matrix. What is that matrix? 1 minus 2, 2, 1. Minus 1 to the power of 3, that is minus 1 into, what is the value of this determinant? 1 into 1 minus 2 into minus 2. 1 minus of minus 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. Next, cofactor of 5, minus 1 to the power of, where this 5 lies? It lies in first row, third column. You delete first row and third column, you get this 2 by 2 matrix. 1, 1, 2, 3. minus 1 to the power of 4 plus 1 into determinant of this matrix 3 minus 2. This is 1. So cofactor of 3 is 7, cofactor of minus 4 is minus 5, cofactor of 5 is 1. Now determinant of this matrix A is, from definition, sum of the products of the elements of first row with their corresponding cofactors. 3 into cofactor of 3, that is 7, plus minus 4 into, what is the cofactor of minus 4? Minus 5, plus 5 into cofactor of 5 is 1. Sum of the products. This is 21 minus 20 plus 5. Generally, while finding cofactors, here you get plus sign because it is in first row and first column. Here you get minus sign because it lies in first row and second column. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Here you get, again you get plus sign because it lies in first row and third column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 21 minus 20, 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. That is the determinant value of that 3 by 3 matrix. Next, you see next example. If A is equal to find det A. Now you find the determinant value directly. You take first row. You may take first row or second row or third row, any row, but multiply. Take the sum of the products of those elements with their corresponding cofactors. Take first row, 1 into cofactor of this one. You delete this first row and second column. You get this matrix. The determinant of this matrix is minus 9 plus 12. Apply minus sign here because it lies in first row and second column. Cofactor means minus 1 to the power of row plus column, 1 plus 2, 3. So you get minus here, minus of 1 into, you delete first row and second column. You get this 2 by 2 matrix, 2 minus 3, 5 minus 9. Determinant of that matrix, minus 18 plus 15. Next, third element, minus 2 into, you delete this first row and third column. You get this 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant of this matrix, 2 into 4, 8 minus 5. 3 minus 3 into minus 1, 3 plus 3, 8 minus 5, 3 into 2, 6. This is equal to 0. Determinant of this matrix is 0.